Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And thank you very much for your inquiry on this absolutely fantastic piece of German engineering that is fresh into stock. So this vehicle is a 2019 Volkswagen Touareg V6 R-Line Tech. It's finished in a pure white metallic paint with a black Vienna leather ergoComfort upholstery. And we'll be having a closer look at that very shortly when we head indoors. Now this vehicle has covered just 19,600 miles, it has a full service history and £7,830 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now the service history, just a few details whilst we're outside. In July 2020 it had its first service at 3,587 miles. In July 2021 at 8,378 miles, and in September 2022 at 16,581 miles. Now, some of the specification we have on this vehicle. A sliding glass panoramic sunroof. We'll be able to see how that looks from the inside of the car in a moment, but providing a beautiful contrast against that white exterior. As well as that, we can see the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, again completing all of that styling for the outside of the vehicle. We also have full keyless entry and hands-free tailgate opening as long as the key is in the vicinity. We have full park assist with rear view camera. And as we head into the interior of the vehicle is where we're going to see more of that equipment. Condition of this vehicle, both exterior and interior, is absolutely wonderful. And we've got some beautiful sun today to show this car off in its glory. So, starting up front here, that upholstery, the Vienna leather with the ergoComfort, and we also have the R-line embroidery in the back of the seats along with the grey contrast stitching. Really does break up that interior very well and looks absolutely stunning. We can see on the side of the seat there the fully electric seat controls with the electric lumbar supports, and over on the door edge is where we have the 3 positions for the driver to save their seat to. Now we have the Inoovision cockpit with the Volkswagen digital display, and I'm going to have a little sit in the vehicle to show you the size of this screen. It is absolutely colossal. We'll get the engine going just for a moment so we can see it in its glory. Now the full virtual cockpit we have here behind the steering wheel. I just have the door open at the moment, giving me a message. As well as the heated seats, we also have a heated steering wheel on this vehicle. But the size and the usability of this display we see in front of us is absolutely incredible. Having a little look up top, we have up here the panoramic roof on the vehicle. There we are, and that runs right to the very back of the car. It will tilt and slide, and of course there is the electric blind to cover the whole lot for privacy. And being the size of the SUV that it is, there is ample amounts of room for rear seat passengers, and the quality and finish of the upholstery back here is second to none, I can assure you. Now we also have for the rear seat passengers their full zone climate control. So we actually have a 4-zone climate control on this vehicle, completely separate ventilation for these rear seat passengers, as well as a whole host of power supplies and other features for their comfort. You can see on the side window here the integrated blinds, and the overall exterior styling is absolutely incredible. So here at AMT Specialist Cars, we of course would like to look after customers and provide a rounded service which is all under one roof. So for customers who have any funding requirements, please do let us know and we can happily discuss with you various options and search to get you the very best deal through our panel of lenders. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, we have warranty-wise on hand to provide us with extended warranty options. And of course, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking like you see here in the video, Auto Glim have kindly partnered with us to provide their life shine treatment for not only the exterior bodywork and glass, but also the interior upholsteries, be that leather or the fabrics. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If there is anything that we've missed, please do let us know and we'll happily provide you with another personal video or get the details to you over the telephone. And we'll be in touch very shortly with some calculations. So thank you once again and speak to you soon. Bye for now.